Welcome to AssemblyTube, the free website for assembly leaders. You can find the downloads section on the main website with this button. When you click it, you go to the downloads page. Some of the downloads are free, some of them you pay for. This is a free one. You can click on a video to see what the content's like, and then you click on the button to download it. You can also find the downloads section from the side menu. In the database, there's another downloads area. There's a lot more downloads here, and these are all for club members. You can see some of them here. There are about 150 altogether. For Key Stage 3, Key Stage 4, you can see the latest downloads by clicking that button, and you can see them grouped by different categories here. You can also search for downloads if you have an idea what you're looking for.